Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need the token now, so open the game or developer console and grab the API token. Copy it precisely because it is case sensitive. Once done, store it in a secure location, preferably an encrypted notes app or an environment variable if you plan to script. You should avoid pasting it in public chats or clipboard managers that sync. Make sure to label it clearly for the Blox Fruits project so you don't mix it with other keys. You'll use the token inside request headers, so set authorization to bearer followed by your token. This tells the server who you are. Next, send all traffic over HTTPS to the official Blox Fruits endpoints to prevent interception. When responses come back, always check status codes and parse JSON bodies to confirm success. If you get a 401 or 403, you likely have a bad token or missing scope. Make sure to rate limit requests so you don't trigger temporary bans. To finish, rotate tokens every so often and revoke any token you suspect is compromised so unauthorized access stops immediately. Test your setup with a single, simple API call before running bulk scripts, because small tests reveal header, endpoint, or scope mistakes quickly. If errors persist, regenerate a fresh token, update your authorization header, and try again. If still failing, check for typos, expired sessions, or IP restrictions as a key troubleshooting rule to resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.